Welcome back. If you've recently installed Dropbox or returned after a while, there have been some important updates. In this video, I'll walk you through the new, updated Dropbox interface, its main features, and how you can navigate, manage, and collaborate using Dropbox easily. Let's dive in. When you log into Dropbox.com, you'll land on the redesigned homepage. Right at the center, you're welcomed with your Recents area. This is where Dropbox automatically displays the files you've opened or worked on most recently. It's the easiest way to jump right back into your work without browsing through folders. Just below that or alongside it, depending on your screen size, you'll find your Start files. These are items you've marked as important so you can open them instantly whenever you need them. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice the updated navigation panel. At the top, you'll find the All Files section. This is the heart of your Dropbox. Every folder and every file you've uploaded or synced appears here, neatly organized and easy to browse, just like a normal file manager on your computer. Below that, there's a dedicated Photos section. Dropbox automatically gathers and displays your images here, giving you a clean, gallery-style view that makes it easier to browse through your pictures without digging through folders. Next, you'll see the Shared tab. This is where you'll find all the files and folders you've shared with other people, as well as anything that's been shared with you. It keeps all your collaborations in one convenient place. Following that, you'll come across File Requests. This is a simple but powerful feature that allows you to request files from anyone, even if they don't have a Dropbox account. Once someone uploads a file through your request link, it appears right here automatically. And finally, at the bottom of the sidebar, you'll find Deleted Files. This is your safety net. If you ever delete something by mistake, you can restore it from here within the allowed recovery time, depending on your plan. This location shows how much space is left and how much is consumed. At the top of the page, Dropbox presents a more powerful and accessible set of tools. Search bar, quickly find files, folders, or even specific content inside documents. You can directly create new documents or notes, including Dropbox Paper Docs, from this button beside the search bar. Upload button. Upload files or entire folders from your computer to Dropbox with a click. You can also connect it with Google Drive to take file from there. New folder button. Easily create new folders or subfolders to keep your files organized. Open app. This button will open the Dropbox folder on your device if Dropbox app is installed. Dropbox Paper is now fully part of Dropbox's main file system. You can now create new paper docs directly from the New or Create menu in Dropbox, create new presentation, create new sheet, store those docs in any folder you want, making organization consistent across file types. Thanks for watching. I hope this overview helps you get the most out of the new Dropbox interface. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and productivity guides. See you in the next video.